Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a voice assistant with Google Cloud, complete guide step by step clearly. To build a voice assistant with Google Cloud, start by creating a Google Cloud account. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Google Cloud console. Create a new project by clicking on the Select a Project drop-down and selecting New Project. Name your project, then click Create to initiate the setup. Enable the necessary APIs by going to the API library in the console. Search for and enable the Google Cloud Speech-to-Text API. Next, enable the Google Cloud Text-to-Speech API. After the APIs are enabled, set up authentication by creating service account credentials. Go to the I am an admin section, then select Service Accounts. Click Create Service Account and fill in the required details. Assign the necessary roles for your voice assistant project. Generate a JSON key for the service account and download it to your computer. Install the Google Cloud SDK on your local machine. Once installed, open your command line and authenticate your SDK using the downloaded JSON key. Now, choose your development environment, such as Node.js or Python. For Node.js, create a new project folder and initialize it using npm init. Install necessary libraries by running npm install at Google Cloud/speech at Google Cloud/text-to-speech. For Python, create a virtual environment and install the required packages using pip install Google Cloud Speech Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Create a script to handle speech recognition using Google Cloud Speech-to-Text. In your script, import the relevant libraries and initialize the speech client. Set up a function to transcribe audio input, capturing the user's spoken commands. Next, create a function to handle responses, utilizing the text-to-speech API. In this function, configure the voice and language parameters for your voice assistant. Develop a loop to continuously listen for user input and provide responses accordingly. Test your voice assistant locally to ensure it accurately processes speech and generates responses. If everything works as expected, consider deploying your assistant using Google Cloud Functions or App Engine for scalability. Finally, monitor your project's performance through the Google Cloud Console and make adjustments as needed. With these steps, you've successfully built a voice assistant using Google Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.